Alright, next we have the United Marine Recon Assisted Stiletto Folding Knife, retailing for $25. It's on sale at BudK for only $6.98, or any two for only $6 each. As represent the United States Marines, this black and silver camouflage handle with a Marine Recon medallion is perfect for any Marine or anyone who knows a Marine. And the 3.5-inch stainless steel blade is razor sharp and can saw through anything. This folder features a glass breaker and a pocket clip for easy carrying. It's 8 1/4 inches overall and 3 3/4 inches closed.